Hey everyone. So if you're a creator, you know the deal, right? You're always on the hunt for that perfect track, the one that sets the mood, but doesn't, drain your bank account or get your content taken down. Well, today we're diving into the tech that promises to be the answer to all our problems, AI music generation. But is it really that simple? Let's find out.
And this quote right here, this really gets to the heart of it. It's a double-edged sword for sure. On one hand, you've got this incredible power to cook up custom tracks with just a few keystrokes. But on the other hand, that power comes with a whole new set of rules. And yeah, limits that you absolutely have to understand.
I mean, think about it. What do we all need? We need music that's great quality, that's affordable, and, this is the big one, that's legally safe to use. It's a tricky balancing act. And that's exactly why so many creators are looking at AI, hoping it's finally the thing that ticks all three of those boxes.
And at first glance, yeah, it seems like the perfect fix. These AI music tools are basically like having your own personal composer on call, 24/7. It feels a little bit like magic, honestly. But let's pull back the curtain and see how it actually works.
So, what is it really? Well, the basic idea is pretty straightforward. You tell an AI what you want, and it makes music for you. These AI models have been fed just massive amounts of music, so they've learned how to create all sorts of things, from a little melody to a full-blown song, all based on what you tell them to do.
The whole process is really about how you steer the AI. It usually starts with a simple text prompt where you describe the vibe you're going for, like upbeat synthwave for a tech video. You can even give it reference tracks to say, hey, make something that sounds kind of like this. But the last step is the real game changer, generating stems. That means the AI doesn't just give you one audio file. It gives you separate tracks for the drums, the bass, the melody, all the parts. And that gives you way more control when you're editing. It's huge.
So you get custom music in minutes. Problem solved, right? Well, not so fast. This is where we run into the catch. Because this amazing new tool, well, it brings a whole new set of headaches and hurdles that every single creator needs to get their head around.
You can really see here how the promise clashes with the reality of it all. The promise is instant, perfect custom tracks. But the reality? The quality can be, well, they can be all over the place. The promise is endless creative freedom. The reality is you're often boxed in by that first prompt. And the biggest promise of all, free music for anything, that one slams right into the brick wall that is licensing. And oh boy, can it get complicated.
Okay, seriously. If you take away just one thing from all of this, let it be this. Before you even dream of using an AI track in a project you're going to post online, you have to understand the usage rights. Who actually owns this music? Can you use it for commercial stuff? Can you monetize the video it's in? The answers are different for every single AI tool out there, and you have got to read the fine print. No skipping.
Now, I know after all those warnings, you might be feeling a little sketched out, but don't be. The trick isn't to run away from these tools. It's about using them smartly for the right jobs. So let's get into the practical, safe ways you can actually start using AI music in your workflow, like today.
So where does AI music really kill it? Well, think about quick, custom background music for your social videos, as long as you've checked the license, of course. Or use it to mock up different moods for an edit really fast. It's also amazing if you're in a creative rut. You can just experiment with totally new styles and sounds. You could even have it generate a cool melody that becomes the starting point for your own original song.
Okay, we've gone over what AI music is, how you make it, the hype, the hidden dangers, and how to actually use it. So let's just boil everything down to a super simple final checklist. Think of these as your 2 golden rules for using AI music without getting into trouble.
It really is this simple. Number 1, always check the usage rights. I know I keep saying it, but that's because it's that important. This is what protects you. And number 2, think about labeling your project to show you used AI for the music. This is all about being transparent with your audience, and it's quickly becoming the standard. It's just about being honest and building that trust.
And that really brings us to the big question that's kind of hanging over this entire conversation. As these tools get smarter and better, is AI going to be your new creative partner, or is it your competition? Honestly, the answer is going to be different for every one of us. But now that you know the landscape, both the power and the pitfalls, you're in a much better place to make that choice for yourself.